तो व्हाट्सअप गाइस, कैसे आप सब? हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू वीडियो। तो आज मैंने आप सीखोगे हाउ टू मेक अ एरोप्लेन, पेपर एरोप्लेन। असली एरोप्लेन मत सोचना, जैसे असली एरोप्लेन में एयरपोर्ट का। मेरी दादी भी ना इतना तेज बोलती है, मेरा हालत खराब हो जाती है। वैसे भी मेरे फैमिली आए हुए हैं। एक सेकेंड में वीडियो पॉज कर रहा हूँ, बोल रहा था देखो बॉस। So let's start our aeroplane. First take a paper. I'll show you how I make an aeroplane. I can make this big aeroplane and it flies like this. I back like this. I here. Back. Wait a second. See? And the aeroplane just came here from there, and it came here. So let's start our aeroplane. Here. First take a aeroplane like this, and then do just fold like this. This should be joined like this. Should be joined. I just joined. Look, I just did like this. I just fold like this, and I did like this. I just fold. Then again open and do, and just I will show you. Let me do first. And just do like this. Like this I did. Because I did like this, then I did like this, and like this, then like this. Now you can see here you can see now. Here I'll show you. Let me do first. Here I did like this. Here with this, then I did like this. Here like this. My mom is talking very loud, and my daddy also. Look. Like this. Done. Another side you have to also do like this. Then just fold like this. Just fold. You did like this, then just fold like this. Here, like this, and just fold like this. Like this. Like this. Done. Now you have to just do like this at first. Now just do like this. Do like this. I did. Now another side you have to do like this. You do like this. Now do like this. And another from. No, I did not did it. Like this. Then another side, just flip. Another side, like this. Now your aeroplane is. Sorry. Now your aeroplane is. Ready. Like this only. Same. Now see what this one I made. Now I will show you how did I made. I will fly this. What I made now. Look at this. Oh, over there. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh, yumma. Sorry. More. Bye. And now the video is end. Please like and subscribe and share. Please, now I have to eat my dinner. Please like and subscribe and share, comment, do everything. So bye. Bye. The video is going to be in 3, 2, 1. Ended. Look. End. Video end. Look. Wait. Look. I will come from. Oh, you shit. So, bye. 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 The video is end. See you in next video. Bye.